Hi guys, let's get started. Today I will show you how to use iFlow-Cli completely for free. So let's head over to VS Code. Now we have installed npm i-g at iFlow-Cli. Now we'll run iFlow inside this in the terminal. One thing you can do is drag and drop this inside iFlow. So the forward slash model lets you choose the model. So something like this should come up. Choose the first option inside iFlow. So the forward slash model lets you choose the model. So I personally like GLM5 and Kimi K2.5. You will even have option for Minimax M2.5, and this is all for free. So let me give you a demo. So we are inside here. Now I'm going to run a command. Hmm, I gave it a command. Now it's thinking and it's working like your open code. So the open code, you can see it made changes. It read the file just like open code and other IDEs and CLI do. So this is a very good alternative to Gemini CLI, the Claude Code and other CLI tools, and this is completely for free. And you get Kimi K2.5 and JLM5, the latest open source Chinese models. This is like a gold mine, and nobody has been discussing and making a video on this topic. And I think I might be the first one covering iFlow CLI. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for this kind of knowledge. And please press the like button and do subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next one.